Spill the beans. Spill the beans means to reveal a secret or share confidential information. Here are some example sentences. She accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise trip. We were planning a surprise party for Mike, but Jen accidentally spilled the beans and told him everything. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. Rita accidentally shared the ending of the movie with her friends. Rita accidentally spilled the beans about the movie ending. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.